Hand that up. He'll take it. Nick, get ready.
I'm recording right now. It's not very good positioning. What?
Did you get it?
Yeah.
You got your corn and banana?
Yeah. Banana. Yeah. Did you see that video last night? The
Nick, you're recording. And you look like you're recording the wrong way. Guess not.
Not really. Doesn't matter. I have
No,
you.
you're right.
Can I zoom it in? Yes, I can.
I
Nice.
can use the zoom slide thing.
I just did.
You're adorable.
Eating a banana.
I could bring this and set this over here for him.
Kayla, that was good.
Yeah.
No, Moby. No. Come here.
Oh, Moby.
Wait, look. He's so cute.
Nom 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 nom.
I just had to hold the hand. They probably don't eat them when they're that ripe either, usually.
Oh, yeah, they eat anything. They find them.
Oh
I know,
yeah.
but I mean, they normally
Yeah, I know what
won't
you
find
mean.
them that ripe, so
They
they're probably
won't find them.
it
Yeah.
probably tastes a lot sweeter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go get that other one.
Yeah.
Well, that's easy.
Dun 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 dun. Yoink!
You know what they always do? When they